Was released a little earlier on by the National Records of Scotland. It lists
At 2:06 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday, Environment Canada has issued a marine tornado warning for the Upper Great Lakes. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following areas: Essex County. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is capable of producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail, and intense rainfall are also possible. Tornadoes are often wrapped in rain and may not be visible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches.
It lists her death as occurring at 3:10 in the afternoon at Balmoral.